Now, you are finally reaching the point where you don't need them to come back anymore. Six of Swords here, and that is exactly when their energy starts turning back. The Fool, followed by the Fool and Three of Pentacles, starts turning back towards you guys. Amazing, because something has definitely shifted here. You may still care, but you're no longer carrying this connection the way you used to. And I am seeing someone who can feel that distance growing, okay? But there are, oh my god, there are two things I want to uncover today because this card has popped up. Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy is very strong, and a new beginning energy is also very strong. First, what exactly makes them realize they could lose you? Six of Cups. And second is what happens when they realize you are genuinely moving forward without them. The Devil here. Oh my god. Oh my god. This feels very different from before because there's less checking here and more healing from your side, less wondering from your side. What they are trying to understand what has gone with you. You still have emotional moments, but you're not sitting in the same waiting energies. What I see, the wheel is turning in your favor now, and that matters because this person may have become comfortable believing that no matter how much time passed, there would still be some emotional connection waiting for them. The Queen of Swords, you have turned cold like a turkey. Now they are beginning to question that assumption now. Something recently may have made them realize you are changing. Okay, you are changing because you have turned this cold. You, maybe you stopped reaching out now because you are in this healing mode. You're no more in this obsessive chasing mode. Maybe they notice you becoming more focused on yourself as well because you're trying to heal right now, or perhaps they simply felt that you weren't energetically chasing the connection anymore. You're trying to get hold on your emotions now. Leo energy, strength. And their reaction is actually very interesting. Instead of feeling relieved by the distance, they are becoming more cautious about you now. There's a contradiction here. They may still be behaving as though they are perfectly fine without you, but if you may ask, internally they are starting to wonder whether you have actually, you know moved on, or are you actually done with them. And that question is getting harder for them to even ignore right now, because what they are thinking right now, if you may ask, I am getting someone who is replaying the relationship from a different perspective now. Wheel of Fortune here. Okay, so before, they may have focused on what went wrong, what annoyed them, what they didn't like, or why they needed distance. Now they are remembering why they did that, what they could lose now. And they may be remembering specific conversations, your presence, the way you supported them, or even small things they once took for granted is what I see. And there's one unexpected thought coming through very strongly right now in my mind. What if they actually move on? Because the reading itself started with Six of Swords, the moving on energy, either towards calmer waters or towards someone else, or otherwise elsewhere as well. That possibility seems to bother them more than they expected. They may have assumed you would eventually come back emotionally, okay, but now they are not so sure. But their cup of love is overflowing, and this Two of Cups in reverse tells me that now they are feeling, what if you just move on with someone else? What if someone else eventually give you what you wanted? Whether another person will appreciate you more, because this connection seems to be lost. Whether you'll become unavailable by the time they decide they are ready for this commitment. Will you be unavailable? Hierophant, Taurus energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. And that brings us to the twist here, these two cards. There, this is where the energy is actually getting interesting here. Ace of Cups in reverse, Two of Cups in reverse, Hierophant, and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. This, one day they just, woke up and they realize they have feelings. It's because your emotional withdrawal is forcing them to confront their own choices now. They can no longer blame the distance entirely on circumstances now. They have to look at what they contributed, and there's regret here. Okay, not necessarily, I would say, dramatic regret. Four of Wands, that, they openly express, but the quiet kind that appears when someone realizes they had something really valuable and beautiful. With the Four of Wands here, feel like home energy, committed, stable energy, and didn't handle it properly. Four of Wands. So if this feels like your situation, guys, comment "I choose myself" below and hype this particular video. Like this and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell because I see many of you don't, to connect with this energy. Now let's just continue, because what I am seeing is that your letting go has created a completely different dynamic over here. Okay, King of Pentacles in reverse again. They no longer have the same emotional certainty about you now, and that certainty is uncomfortable. Hermit, Virgo energy. They are getting uncomfortable now. Now, what are they hiding? They may actually be more emotionally affected than they want you to know. There is a part of them that wants to know whether they still have, you know, an opportunity with you or not. Sorry, my phone is disturbing. I'm going to keep it away. Whether they have this opportunity with you or not. But there is also fear here. Okay, fear. What if you have changed too much? Fear. And when they approach, what if you don't understand them anymore, relate to them? What if you don't trust them anymore? With what happened, Eight of Wands, when they communicate, they may not even want to speak to you. I mean, you would not want to speak to them. The thing is, they are not prepared to answer, to all your questions, or to for the answers. And most importantly, what if you say, why now? They have no idea what they're going to answer. That question could be difficult for them, because coming back means facing the gap between what they promised, what they felt, and what they actually did. Because I see that few of you, they're afraid that, you may even reject talking to them. This is communication, and this is rejection. There's also something about pride, is what I'm sensing. They may want to approach you without looking vulnerable. Okay, they don't want to look vulnerable over here. Oh my god, Six of Wands. See, so rather than immediately confessing everything, they could test the waters, because Six of Wands and reverse over here, a small message, a reaction, a casual conversation, or trying to get to know about your whereabouts, something that allows them to see whether you are receptive before they reveal what is really happening emotionally over here. They would approach, but with a lot of pride here. And your energy is the part I find most important right now over here. Okay, you are not necessarily completely over them. Three of Wands. Okay, you always had an idea somehow, but you are becoming over the version of yourself that waited for them. Knight of Pentacles, and their commitment, their consistency, them to show up. And that's different. You're beginning to realize that missing someone doesn't mean you have to chase them, the tower over here. You have realized that. Mars energy, Scorpio energy over here. Loving someone doesn't mean accepting uncertainty forever. Okay, and I think this is exactly what makes your energy feel stronger now. You're becoming less emotionally dependent on the outcome. Okay, You are not this hangman in this hangman position anymore. You're not juggling anymore. Reverse, two of pentacles. And when someone senses that no longer control, that they no longer control the emotional direction of the connection, no more hangman, no more two of pentacles, they may start looking at the very, at you very differently, because you're not asking for anything now. So what happens next? Ace of swords. The strongest possibility I'm seeing is that this person eventually tries to re-enter your world in some way, but this time with a lot of clarity. And you also already have a lot of clarity what you want and expect out of this person, if at all you want. I would not treat that as a guarantee or assume it automatically means reconciliation, but I see strong clarity coming in, strong communication coming in. And the important part is that there is potential for renewed contact because the emotional distance is becoming real. Magician, have you got the spell work done and the world for reconciliation or obsession? Because that is taking place now. And if they do return, the real test won't be whether they say they miss you, it will be whether their behavior is difficult. By the way, guys, magician is also a card signing, it's giving you a sign right now that if your relationship has ended with the world card over here, it's now your sign that you need to get the spell work done, because you're not looking for another cycle back and forth. You're looking for evidence now. Okay, so you can go ahead, book 21 days love combo. Trust me, guys, that is going to make everything happen. That is the biggest shift in your energy also, by the way. You're manifesting. Okay, and this is why I don't feel the story is simply they come back and everything goes back to normal. Okay, you need some push, you need this spell work done. Okay, and trust me, 75 to 85% of my clients have received amazing results. Now, coming back, if they return, you may be the one deciding whether the old version of this relationship gets access to you again or not. And that is very different position. It's a very different position from where you were before. Now, let's return to those two things from the beginning. Okay. Justice and the Empress also. I want to read these cards. Karma and your self-love is there. Why do they realize they could lose you? Because your energy is no longer centered around waiting for them, it is centered around you, the Empress energy. Okay, they are beginning to understand that your life continues with or without their presence. Okay, and what happens when they realize you are genuinely moving forward? It creates urgency, is what I feel. Not necessarily immediate action, but a stronger awareness that they cannot assume you'll always be emotionally available. Okay, that is the strongest message coming through right now with these cards. Someone may still be holding on to this connection while you are finally learning how to release it. You are so much you're so much in self-love. You're releasing, you're healing, you're glowing, you're attracting energies towards you and in your life. And if this reading resonated, like the video and subscribe for the next reading, guys. But don't stop your life waiting for a return. Okay, and follow me on Instagram as well if you feel so. And if you would like to get a personal session with me, you can book me up on, you can WhatsApp me or you can DM me on Instagram. So let me show you what they actually mean. Okay, because sometimes the biggest shift happens when you stop asking when will they come back and start asking if they do come back, have they changed enough for me to let them in? And I feel that is where your power is now, because justice, Libra energy, tells me that this person is now facing their own karma, their own choices, and they're literally regretting it. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one, guys. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and my YouTube membership is also open for early access. Do not forget to become my early access member so that you get early access to all my videos as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.